It's a cheeky banana-shaped solid.
Cheeky? Don't be disgusting.
Should we have another chocolate?
Yeah. Now, this week is all about Valentine's gifting, and M&S have given us some of their chocolate gifting boxes. So these are loaded chocolates with beautiful toppings, and they've got luxury centres. They are the collection chock full of love.
That is so good.
Have you gone for?
Okay, I've got for this
so
one.
You've gone for the dark one.
I like a dark chocolate one.
Okay.
Not the right level of sweetness, not too rich.
So this is your appealing. It's a cheeky banana-shaped solid
Cheeky,
creamy
I'll say.
chocolate.
Cheeky.
It's got a crunchy butterscotch pieces throughout.
Don't be disgusting.
M&S signature creamy milk chocolate recipe.
I've got to be honest, it's very good.
Is it?
That
Yeah.
crunchiness is good.
Yeah, let me break the bit off at the bottom for you.
Thank you, Tom.
That's delicious.
Delish.
Yeah, well, look, have fun with that. It's called Your Appealing if you want. It's quite something. Keep an eye out for that.
Last orders.